Hi there and welcome to Simply Tech. Today I'm going to do a quick follow-up video on the Zero-X Polaris, specifically on how to connect to the app. Firstly, search Zero-X Polaris in Android or the App Store, and when you found the ZX Swift app, go ahead and download it. And once you've installed it, put the battery in the Polaris. Press the power button. And you should get two red lights flashing on the rear. And basically go into your Wi-Fi settings, find the ZX Pol network, connect to that. Now it will say no data connection, but don't worry about that. Then prep the controller by pressing up for 1 second, down for 1 second, and in on both controllers for 1 second, and you're basically ready to go. Open up the app, press record, and record your footage. And away it goes. Now it's very simple, and we'll have a look at some recorded footage in a minute. Now, as usual, I do spend a lot of time chasing this drone into areas where it's not meant to go. Now, as you can see, I've managed to destroy one of the blades, plus break some of the legs on the front, and of course two on the rear. Open up the app, press the little folder button, you can see pictures and video, select your video, and hit the little playback button. It's as easy as that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick follow-up video. Remember to hit like and subscribe for updates on new content.